Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I'm going to do a quick little unboxing of the Yours Truly little box set from R.E.M Beauty. So if you want to see what is inside, then keep watching. When I saw that they were coming out with this little collection, I had to get it because I love Yours Truly. Tattooed Heart is one of my favorite songs on that album. Tell me what your favorite song off that album is in the comments down below. I'd love to know. I just also felt like this was really good because I would get to try a highlighter, a liquid eyeshadow. I have some of the lip products, but another one doesn't hurt. So there was two sets that you can get. I got this one. This one retailed for $42 and it's just the makeup. The other one was the makeup, a special butterfly shaped box, and you got a bow. This is how everything came. The highlight's not staying in the box, which is totally fine because we'll swatch that first. So this is the Interstellar highlighter topper in Honeymoon High. This looks kind of intense, but on my finger it does not. It's very buttery. Ooh. That'll be a really pretty highlight for the spring. I'm very shocked at how cheapy the packaging is feeling, but the product itself, if you can get past the packaging, the actual highlight is really nice. Next up is the new and limited edition Midnight Shadows Lustrous Liquid Eyeshadow in 1954. This just looks so pretty. I want to use my liquid eyeshadows more, so let's swatch this. Oh, that is really cool. It's very pretty. You can't tell on the camera, but in person it does have like a gold kind of shift to it. It's gorgeous. And last up is the top seller On Your Collar Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Pink Razor. So I do have her lip products and I really do like them. I got her limited editions for Thank You Next. I will link those down below. So let's try this on. This is pretty. Very nude, but I like it. It reminds me of White Russian from Buxom. So that is everything in the Yours Truly makeup set from R.E.M Beauty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys want to pick this up, it'll be linked in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.